the first thing we need to do is make sure our x squared and y squared have a coefficient of 1. So I need to divide every term on both sides. Well, right now we have a 0 on the right, but we need to divide everything by 144. So that will give me x squared plus y squared. And then 96 over 144 reduces to 2/3 x minus 72 divided by 144 is 1/2 reduced. And then let's move the 11 to the other side, and we've got to divide it by 144 as well. So now let's get our x's together. That's x squared minus 2/3 x. Of course, I'm going to add something here when I complete the square. This is y squared minus 1/2 y. I'm going to add something. And then on the other side, I've got 11 over 144. And I'm going to add something to that side as well. Because whatever you do to the left side of the equation, you got to do the right side. So the formula is 1/2 times b. There's your b. Negative 2/3 squared. And over here, it's going to be 1/2 times a negative 1/2 squared. So let's simplify this. This is x squared minus 2/3 x plus 1/9 plus y squared minus 1/2 y plus 1/16. And then so I've got to add to this side a 1/9 and a 1/16. 11 over 144 plus 1/9 plus 1/16. Okay, equals, now I did this on my calculator and it was 1/4. All right, so if you've done this completing the square right, the way you will factor this, it will be your variable x in this case, whatever sign you see there in the middle term, minus, and take the square root of your constant. And you can check that, x minus 1/3 times x minus 1/3, that's x squared minus 1/3 x minus 1/3 x plus 1/9. So there's your x squared, and there's your negative 2/3 x, and there's your 1/9. So this other one's going to be a y, bring down whatever sign that is, square root of that, squared. And that was what your question was about, how you factor with fractions.